This is the easiest way to remove a bearing. Apply a little motor oil to the bearing for lubrication. Select a metal rod to match the size of the inner bearing race. Grind the edge of the rod a little. Fill the inner cavity of the bearing with grease. Insert the chamfered rod into the bearing cavity. Blow the rod sharply with a hammer. The pressure resulting from the blows pushes the bearing up. Repeat the action with grease and rods several times. This is how grease pushes the bearing out of the socket. This is the easiest, but quite effective way to remove a bearing.